gold vision pretty baby as I ride on this empty road. I'm just looking for something to do. After she was hungry, then she wanted to get food, and she said nah. Then she kissed me on my cheek. Next thing I know, she was feeling on me, and I was in BMW. Then she said, park my car down the back street. Down the back street, I'm tryna get you in my backseat, girl. I want you to ride, baby, ride on me. Speeding down the back street, I'm tryna get you in my backseat, girl. I want you to ride, baby, ride on me.
Okay, so welcome to LogiWork. Just to introduce myself, my name is Neil Ruchkowski, and we've got an exciting couple of hours ahead of us. LogiWork is about bringing together thought leaders and experts, or bringing young talent into tech, and a lot of that young talent is here today doing some of the filming, so you'll see them around maybe tonight.
A really, really exciting future. And when we hear about AI, we often hear about these terrible headlines. It's going to take away our jobs.
My girl, only you bad, only you darling, only you bad, only you my girl, only you bad, only you darling, only you. Something bad is about to happen to me. Why I feel this way, I don't know, maybe I think of her so much it drops.